Yeah, west side in this bitch. Come through my hood, we'll show you what's good. Breaking on the mic, I think I probably could. Man, I'm from the streets, nigga, ain't nothing new. Finna bust a rhyme, I'll show you how I do. You just tryna hustle, make some damn bread. You gotta do it smart so we won't end up fucking dead. Going against me, now you can't be my flow. You think you a player, man, I'll pull your fucking hoe. I'ma show you that I go hard to the end. It's the boy Junior player made man skin, can't fuck with me. I do my own thing. Man, we got the drugs and the damn drink. We son down youngsters will break your fucking bones. Trying to freestyle just straight out the dome. I'm from the Road City, straight Texas made. About to talking shit, I make that nigga catch a fade. Matter of fact, I need a fade for my boy Ricky. His face come out clean, they probably worth 150. Pass me the mic and let me take over. You want some damn business, nigga, let me take your order. Westside, you know, I'm always fucking ripping. Always on the mic, always fucking wrecking. Always telling you, pass me the microphone. Asking for the dang hoes, I say they all up in my phone. Haters, always hating, nigga, I done told you. You can't stop me, I'm a Westside soldier. You can't be mean, I'll shoot you in the chest. Especially you talking shit about the motherfucking West. I gotta keep it G, I gotta keep it real. I'm so cold blooded, so fuck how you feel. I got to hold it down to the day that I'm gone. If you ain't down for the money, don't hit on my phone. Your niggas touch me, you gon' end up lost. Try and challenge me, I bet you won't get close. Don't spit the fake shit, so watch what you say. Player made Mexican and the screw the best taste. I grew up kinda young, but that don't really matter. Now I'm all around my city while my pockets getting fatter. I got kinds of homeboys, even potheads. Homeboys in the business trying to stack up their bread. I'm only 16, don't wanna end up in the coffin. I just wanna fucking shine and make a little profit so I can have a little go all up in my necklace. Got to come through, man, I gotta act reckless. I never back down, I will fucking fight. I love the damn taste of the accordion with the Sprite. We all about the last, we all about the swingers. Fuck with my niggas, they so fucking dangerous. Speaking all these rhymes, just speaking all the truths. My fruits are so throw, working hard from the booth. All these damn rhymes, I spit it from the brain, smoking killer weed on separate, my brain still maintain. We ain't never smoking weed, shit, we smoking loud. Ripping for the Mexican, man, we gotta rip the crowd. I'm just freestyling, trying to see what to say. I don't give a fuck, riding blue over gray, I can't tell you straight up. I can't do better on my own, chunk up the deuce, and now I'm fucking gone.